Hi, this is Bruce McKay from Sales Marketing Ideas. I want to show you how to use Paint to resize pictures. Okay, you go to your programs, and this is Microsoft Office project. It always has Paint in it as far as I can remember. You just go to Paint. This is your ribbon up here where you can do everything from. You click on here to open a new project or open a picture. Open just means go to your files. So you would click on pictures, and you can start with any picture. These are some I've been working with already. So we'll just start with anything to start with. It brings it up. The picture hasn't been resized because I store them full size. Excuse me. So I'll resize it, and what I do is switch this to pixels. And in order to have web size pictures, I always go to 600 or so. And if you keep maintain aspect ratio checked, it'll always coordinate your vertical and horizontal so your pictures stay in proper form. And see, they come out. When you shrink them, they still look really good. This picture, because it's not square, I'd crop. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick as well. What it does is it gives you an option, a square option. So in the end, this picture is going to be a little bit smaller than it said, but it'll be more centered. So I would just go like that, then click crop up here on your ribbon, and it crops the picture. And then it's a little more square. Then I usually try to enhance them because a lot of pictures don't really look that good if you just have a square box and your picture inside it. So what I'm going to do is do you a quick bit on how to enhance it. It's one thing I've learned here. So I change this color here. If I change this color by clicking on it to brown, it goes to brown. And I'm just going to see if I can get this. And click off of it. That's one thing with Paint, it's permanent. The only way to get rid of it is to go Curtail Z on your keyboard and it'll get rid of it. But let's go one more layer of brown. So I click on the square. I click on where I want to start from. And I just put another large square inside it. Okay, then I like the rounded corners effect, so I'll do a rounded triangle from the ribbon up here, and I'll just start a little bit outside, and I can adjust this a bit after. And what's happened is I haven't started from far enough back, I don't think. So what I'm going to do is just pull my square into a line here till the corners are hidden. Click on that, and I've got a rounded corners image. I didn't do it perfect here, so I can hit color fill, solid fill. Hey, it worked. Okay, that's all I needed to do. And there's your picture done. In order to save it, you just click here, go to save as a JPEG. What I do right away before I forget is click on save it to my desktop so I can find it. Then I go down here to rename it. You can name it what you want. New, and click save, and it saves it to my dashboard or to my desktop. So I should be able to click out of it here. And if I want to put this on a page, let's just put it on a page, group promoting. And I just go to edit post and add media and upload the file because it's not already on here. Select the file and it's on my desktop, so I just have to scroll through till I find it. There's the new, open, and it's automatically loading it here. And then I go to the lower right hand corner and I can insert it into the post just clicking here. Now the other step you can do, because it's quite a large picture, I'll just bring it up to the center of my screen so you can see better what I'm doing, I think, is I'll click on the picture because it's too big for this page, and you can set your sizes here. You can resize it. So if I bring this down to 70% and it's already sort of on the left, I can just set my alignment to line it to the right side of the screen, and it'll word wrap it as well. Then I just click update, and there's my smaller picture. Still looks good, got a nice frame. I could have taken more time and centered it more perfect, but it looks a lot better. And I'll click update and let that update. There it is, and we'll view the post within the website from the outside as somebody else would see it. So when you come to the website, that's what the picture is going to look like. And that's how to use, I use Paint, and I do this for all my photos. And if you want to delete it, there's a good quick way here. This is a delete button because I don't need it on this post. Then every time you do something, you update your WordPress to make sure your changes are in effect. And that's my short video on how to use Paint. Thank you.